I have to show my face.
Yeah, you
Hey
have
guys,
to.
this is my first video review, and my name is Dark Vortex 53. Today we're going to review the Mark of Athena. So basically, it's about. Wait, we have a guest appearance today. His name is Baba Chin, the guy who makes the Sponge videos, if you know him.
Yes.
So basically, the book is about the Greek and Roman demigods after the son of Neptune and lost hero, and their mission is to close the doors of death by sailing to Rome and Greece and fighting the giants. It has approximately 500 pages or more.
This is the cover.
This is the cover, and
The
the Mark of Athena. Rick Riordan, it's Percy Jackson and Jason Grace fighting, and of course the author is Rick Riordan. It approximately has 500 pages. Huh?
Walmart is trying to get into India.
Wait, please focus. Sorry, focus.
Here's a snapshot.
That is going to put the small store out of business.
Here's a snapshot of the book.
Snapshot.
Here's a part of the book. I'll read it. It's from Piper, 118 to 119.
Okay. Yeah. I'll say this is my book.
Yeah.
Okay, so technically this is not his book, it's really mine. Yeah.
And this the guest name is Baba Chin.
Yes, you already said that.
Yeah. It's Baba Chin's book. So I'll end it.
Baba,
Wait.
you have to try your dessert.
Okay. Then
So
read the back.
Here's the summary. Annabeth is terrified, just when she's about to be reunited with Percy. After 6 months of being apart, thanks to Hera. Okay, thanks to Hera, it looks like Camp Jupiter is preparing for war. As Annabeth and her friends Jason, Leo, and Piper and Leo fly in the Argo 2, she can't blame the Roman demigods for thinking the ship is a Greek weapon. With its steaming bronze dragon figurehead, Leo's fantastical creation doesn't appear friendly. Annabeth hopes that the sight of their praetor Jason on deck will reassure the Romans that the visitor from Camp Half-Blood are coming in peace. And that's only one of her worries.
Just you guys need to know that we're cousins.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're cousins.
I'll read this pa. In her pocket, Annabeth carries a gift from her mother that came from an unnerving command. Follow the Mark of Athena. Avenge me. Annabeth already feels weighted down by the prophecy that will send 7 demigods on a quest to find and close the doors of death. What more does Athena want from her? So,
Of the Americans.
Yeah, basic.
The Americans. You know, they want to be like
Good.
Sorry, that's a random.
yeah,
Random cherry.
that's a random cherry. It's a random cherry.
You can
So-
never talk to anybody
yeah.
sensitive.
Also, we would like you guys to subscribe to Skydoes Minecraft.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's really funny.
yeah. And Toby Games.
No, I do because there's no
Very
one
Yeah.
person.
Okay.
Okay.
What are your last words?
It doesn't compare with the American standard of service.
Thanks, what? Okay. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you watch my other video reviews.
Upcoming.
Upcoming.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Remember, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.